Thank you. Thank you for all of you being here, first off. I want to thank everybody. I want to thank God for giving you a safe trip here and home.
Yes, sir.
All right? So that's the first thing, because our health, that's where it all starts anyway. As she was saying, I'm a naturopath doctor. So again, like all of us know, we're not here to heal the body. We're here to give them tools to heal the body.
Yes, sir.
And that's what we do, right? Every one of you do that. So back to the question, I'll tell you a story. I think that's the best way of doing it. I have a lady who I've been working with that is in kidney failure. We have worked with her and we're getting her up to where she's now getting her numbers are coming up. I put her on X39 and X49. That's the two she's using. She's been on for 3 months. All of a sudden she comes into me and she says, I don't think these are working. Have you ever heard that? Yeah. Until she went to her MD and got her kidney numbers. Guess what? She's no longer in stage 3. She's in stage 2. And the more it's going to come up even more. Why? Because those stem cells go where they're supposed to go.
Yes, sir.
Right? That's exactly how this works. So if you have people that say, hey, is this going to help such and such, or this or that, the body is more intelligent than we are.
Yes,
we can't tell people what is going to happen. All we need to do is put it in and let the magic work. That's where it's at.